At RETEKOOL, we're leading the way in refrigeration technology with cutting-edge solutions tailored to meet the needs of businesses around the world. Our products are designed to offer superior performance and reliability, ensuring that our partners can maintain the highest standards of quality. With more than 20 years of experience, we have consistently pushed the boundaries of innovation in the refrigeration industry. Our commitment to quality and technological advancements has earned us a reputation as an industry leader, trusted by major brands and businesses globally. We have extensive export experience, with our products reaching over 80 countries, including the USA, Canada, the UK, and Japan. Our international presence is supported by a robust network of partnerships with top global brands, solidifying our position as a reliable and trusted supplier. Our factories, covering an impressive area of approximately 9,400 square meters, are equipped with state-of-the-art production lines featuring advanced machinery such as high-precision CNC machines, automated assembly lines, and specialized testing equipment. These technologies enable us to produce high-quality refrigeration components with exceptional precision and efficiency. We hold numerous patents and certifications, including ISO 9001-2008, ISO 14000, RoHS, and UL, reflecting our commitment to excellence. We provide tailored customization services to meet the unique needs of each client, from product design to final production. Our after-sales support is second to none, offering a 1 to 2 year warranty and efficient solutions to ensure your satisfaction long after the sale. Our dedicated team of professionals brings together decades of expertise in research and development, production, and customer service. With over 100 skilled employees, we are committed to driving continuous improvement and delivering innovative products that meet the evolving needs of our clients. RETEKOOL, just real cool.